Welcome everyone. You're looking for iOS 26, but instead you see iOS 18.6.2 or 18.7 in your iPhone's software update. And the good news is, I'll show you how to get iOS 26 right now. However, the reason why this is happening is because the release for the general public is only going to come out on the September 15th at these time zones right here. So if you're watching this video before these time zones, then that's why it hasn't come out. But I did say you can get iOS 26 stable release right now because the developers have gotten the public release 1 week early. So we can get that one right now. And to do that, you're just going to head to developer.apple.com. And then on this website, just tap the two lines at the left and then tap on the account option and just sign in on this website. You don't need to be a paid Apple developer. You can just sign in, not a problem. After you sign in, you should see this Apple developer agreement. I'm just playing an old video of mine. And so all you need to do is just make sure that you tick this box right here and then hit the submit option. Once you've done that, you've officially rolled into the beta. You don't need to buy any subscription. There's an option to buy. You don't need to do that. Instead, do this. You're then going to return into your software update settings, and you should have a new option which says beta updates. And we can just tap into this one, and you should see iOS 26 developer beta has populated. So we can tap into this one. Let's just try that again. And once it's selected, you should see the iOS 26 stable release. You can see it has no beta number because this is the real stable release and this is the early version. When the public release happens, the one that not for developers, if nothing shows up in your software update, then this release that you have for developer right now will be the same as the public release. So you will already have that version. There's nothing to worry about. If this doesn't populate, one last thing, make sure you do actually have a supported device. So if I go here, you can see the iOS 26 drop support for iPhone XS, XR, XS Max. So just keep that one in mind. Now, YouTube are suppressing my videos. So if this video, you found it useful, it would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below and left a comment saying, this video worked for me. Or if it didn't work, say, what was the problem? I'll try and respond and help you out. Have a nice rest of your day. Bye-bye.